Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own custom kill feed for your thumbnails for Marvel Rivals. Don't worry if you guys aren't experienced in Photoshop, this is going to be a super easy tutorial. You guys will be able to follow along and in the end have your own custom kill feed for your guys' thumbnails. So let's jump right into it. So first we're going to create our canvas. So we go up to File, New, and then for this one, I do 2000 by 2000, 300 resolution, 16-bit. RGB color, background is transparent, color profile, don't color manage, and square pixels. And click create. So first we're gonna start by grabbing the ruler so we can more easily make the actual base for our kill feed. We're gonna go over to the pen tool and make sure it's on shape and that the fill is white. You're going to make a point just randomly, let's say like right here. And then a trick that I found to making straight lines with the pen tool is that normally if you just left click and try to guess to make a straight line, it's going to be at an angle. And it's really hard to make a straight line. So what I found is that if you hold shift and then just click, boom, straight line. So let's zoom in and let's just click right here to make an angle. We'll do it right there. And then do the same thing for this side. It's okay if these are at different angles right here. It doesn't really matter as long as it's not too obvious. So let's just say right there and then boom. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna name this kill feed base. And let's drag this to the middle. Perfect. So the next step is to make some lines at the edge of the kill feed on both sides. So hit the pen tool again, and then the color is going to be this dark blue. The color code is 4D5583. And then all I want you to do is grab the ruler again, and then try to get it as perfect as you can. It doesn't have to be pixel perfect, but I'm kind of a snob with that. And then do the same thing for this side. All right, that's perfect. Okay, so grab the pen tool, shape, make it that dark blue color. And then all I want you to do is just make a point right at the top, say right about there. And then do the same thing on the bottom side. Say like right there. Another one, say right here, and go up to the top, and make it right here, and then connect it. All right, perfect. And if you don't want to create another one for the other side, all you can do is select it, hit Control J to make a copy. Then hit Control T and then just drag it on over to the other side. Just line it up. Boom, perfect. And if we want, we can make this a little bit wider. Rotate it a little bit and then resize it. Okay, since I don't want to mimic that again, delete the copy, hit Control J, transform, and then move it on over. Say like right there. Perfect. So this is a little bit long, so I'm actually going to grab everything by holding shift and then clicking the bottom layer and the top layer. And I'm going to hold shift and then just drag it across. Just like that. Perfect. So next we're going to make the divider shape. So grab the pen tool again, same color. And then all I want you to do is make a point in the middle. Hit a point right here. Hit a point right here. And I'm actually going to grab another ruler so I have a good guide. And then make it right there. And then boom. We have our shape. Perfect. I'm actually going to resize this to make it a little bit longer. And then boom. All right, perfect. All right, so we have our base. So all I want you to do, we're actually going to combine everything. I'm going to hit the bottom layer, then I'm going to hold shift, left click on the top layer, and then what I want you to do is hit Control Shift E, and I'll group everything together. And we're going to name this main kill feed base. Perfect. So next we're going to grab the character icons, and I've gotten a lot of questions on where I actually get the character icons. The website is called marvelrivals.fandom.com. Okay, so from the homepage, to get to the actual avatar icons, just click on a random character and then scroll down till you actually see all the character icons. Okay, they're all right here. So for this video, I'm gonna choose, let's choose Venom. Okay, I'm gonna right click, copy image, and then I'm actually gonna drag it here. I'm gonna hit Control V, resize it to the appropriate size, and boom, there you have it. So next is gonna be the font, and the actual font in game is called Refrigerator Deluxe, and I'll actually have a link down below in the description for you guys to use. So just put your username right there. And then next we need the actual ability icon. So in the same website, click on the actual character, and then scroll down till you see the abilities, and then right click, copy image, and then we're just gonna paste it right there, okay? But the color is different from this blue. And to fix that, all you want to do is just double click on the icon itself, hit color overlay, and then you can just pick out the color right there. So let's actually reshape everything. Boom. All right. So for the enemy side, what I want you to do is click on the text, hold Alt, and then just drag it over here. Okay, hit Control T, and then we're just going to align it with the other side. Boom. And then just change the color just to like a red color. Doesn't really matter. And for the enemy, let's just do a random username, Spooderman 1. All right. And again, in the same website, we're gonna make this enemy be Storm. Again, right click, copy image, paste it right there. And then what I usually do, I'm actually gonna drag this to the top. I like to overlay it on the icon that I already have in place. And then I'll just resize it and just kind of match it the best I can. And then drag it on over. All right, so we have one kill feed down, but you want to have multiple in your thumbnail, I'm assuming. So what I want you to do is that I want you to click on the bottom layer, hold shift, and then click the top layer, and then hit Control G to group it. And then we're gonna name this group Kill Feed 1. All right. And then click the group, then hit Control J, say like 5 times to make 5 kill feeds. Okay, and then just drag them down in order and then rename them just to keep yourself organized. So we'll do kill feed 2, kill feed 3, kill feed 4, kill feed 5. So next we're just gonna drag the kill feeds down So click kill feed 2, hit Control T, then drag it on down, give it a little spacing. Same thing for 3. Same thing for 4. And then same thing for 5. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna grab everything, hit Control T, and actually just move it to the center here. So obviously when you're making a kill feed, you generally don't want it to be the same person unless the type of video you're making is targeting one person or a specific player or a specific character. So to edit each individual kill feed, so we're gonna go into kill feed 2, we're gonna click on the text right here, double click, and then just do a random username. We're gonna make random usernames for all of these. Okay, so next we just need to change all the icons. So we're gonna delete these. And then you're just gonna grab 4 other random ones. All right. And then select all those, hit Control T, and then drag it, say like right there. And then just resize it to the best of your ability. That's perfect. And then all you're gonna do is just drag each specific character into the group that you want it to be. So we'll grab this, put it in kill feed 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna name these Spider-Man. I'm gonna drag him just like there. Perfect. Do Star-Lord. Jeff. And Punisher. Again, you don't have to do this, but it's better to be organized than not. And there you have it. That is how you make your own custom kill feed for your thumbnails for Marvel Rivals. So say you want to take this and you want to put it onto an actual thumbnail. So what I usually do is that I click the bottom layer, hold Shift, click the top layer, and then I just hit Control E to group everything. I'm gonna hit Control C to copy it, and then I'm gonna automatically hit Control Z so it goes back to those groups. And then now I have one that I can actually use and edit. So let's just add a couple effects, do a bevel emboss, inner shadow. We're gonna hit Control T, right click, and then just do a little perspective. Do a little rotation. And as a final touch, I just click the entire kill feed. I'm gonna go to Image, Adjustments, Vibrance, kick up the vibrance and the saturation just a little bit, just to make those colors pop. I just want to say thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, please leave a comment down below and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.